Let's see the next concept, modular exponentiation. Very important concept, modular exponentiation. See, if you want to find out a power b mod n value, for example, if I have something like 242 power 343 mod 243, I want to find out this value. It actually means find out 242 power 343, the large value, you compute that value, then divide that value by 243 and find out the remainder. Okay, so here we study some techniques to simplify this. Instead of calculating 242 power 343, it's a very large number, then dividing it by 243 to get the remainder. Instead of doing that, we try to simplify that equation. We will try to simplify that particular equation, a power b mod n. So there are a few principles here using which we will be doing it. What is the first principle? Let's apply here. We will see many examples to understand this approach. So whenever you want to find out 242 power 343 mod 243, you just find out first what is 242 mod 243. You skip the exponential part. You skip the exponential part. What is 242 mod 243? I said if you are having a mod b, right? If you are having a mod b, if a is a smaller number, mathematically it produces two output for us. One could be 242. Sorry. If a and b, a mod b, if a is less than b, then one of the answers could be a as it is, the other answer could be a minus b. Okay, these two will be the answers. So in this case, if you see 242 mod 243, what is one answer? One is 242, other one is 242 minus 243, that is minus 1. So these two. Now among these two, which one you have to choose? Among these two, numerically, ignoring the signs, okay, ignore this sign minus. Numerically, we have two numbers. One is 1, other is 242. Among these two, which one is minimum number? Which one is the least number? 1. Therefore, the solution for this 242 mod 243 will be minus 1. The smallest number I am taking, but while comparing, I am ignoring the sign. But while taking, I will take the minus sign as it is. So this value is minus 1. It means 242 mod 243, right? 242 mod 243 can be written as, this statement can be written as minus 1 power 343 mod 243. Okay, what is this again? What is minus 1 3 mod what is minus 1 power 243? Minus 1 power 343 means again odd number, right? Minus 1 power odd number means minus 1. It becomes minus 1 mod 243. After getting this minus 1 mod 243, whenever, in this case, what you have to do, whenever this is a smallest number, okay, whenever this is a smallest number and a negative number, you have to just add. You have to just add these two numbers. So minus 1 plus 243, it becomes 242. This is the answer. Okay, it will take time for you to understand. We will see at least 10 examples to understand. Please see those examples also to understand these rules better. It will take time for you to digest and understand these techniques. So for this problem 242 power 343 mod 243, we have simplified it like this. Let's take another example. Let me take another example. Let's calculate 31 power 500 mod 30. I want to find out the value of 31 power 500 mod 30. So how can I, first step what I have to do? First ignore the sign, find out the value of 31 mod 30. What is 31 mod 30? Divide 31 by 30. What is the remainder we get here? 1. It means this value is equal to 1 power 500 mod 30. We are trying to simplify this equation. We are trying to simplify this equation by finding out 31 mod 30. We got 1. That 1 you will put here, power 500 mod 30. Right. Now what is 1 power 500? 1. It means 1 mod 30. So 1 mod 30, this is a positive number here. So you will get, since it's a positive number, again, and less, a number less than 30. So what answers will I get here? You will get 1 answer will be 1, because if a mod b, one answer will be a, other will be a minus b. When this happens, when a is less than b. Yes. So one answer is 1, other one 1 minus 30, it is minus 29. Right? So which one is least one? Ignoring the sign, which one is least one? 1 is the least one. So therefore, answer will be 1 in this case. So the output of this 31 power 500 mod 30 value will be 1. right? Let's see another example to understand how this modular exponentiation techniques will work, right? Let me calculate 11 power 7 mod 13. Okay, see this value is large for me, I cannot compute 11 into 11 into 11 7 times, calculating it manually and then dividing it by mod 13, it is very difficult for us to do. So we have to simplify this expression. How do we simplify the expression? Skip the power, reduce the value. So what I have to do, I have to first find out 11 mod 13, try to reduce this value. How to reduce 11 mod 13? So how we have to find out 11 mod 13. What is 11 mod 13? This is a smaller number. So one answer could be 11 as it is. The other answer could be 11 minus 13, that is minus 2. In these two options, which one is the best number? Which one is the best number? Smallest number. This is 11. Numerically, if you see, this is 11. This is 2. This is 11. This is 2. Among these two, 2 is less one. 2 is a lesser number. Therefore, I will say that 11 mod 13 value is minus 2. Minus 2 as it is, you have to take. For comparing only, we are ignoring sign, but answer will remain same, minus 2. So this expression now becomes minus 2 power 7 mod 13. See, I reduced the complexity of the problem by applying this rule. Now, what is minus 2 power 7? It is minus 128 mod 13. So, how to calculate this? Minus 128 mod 13. If this value is large and there is a negative number, you ignore the sign. You ignore the sign. First find out what is 128 mod 13. What is 128 mod 13? If you calculate 128 mod 13, I think it is 13 into 9, 7, 2, 11, 117, right? It is dividing by 117 and the remainder is 11. Remainder is 11. So 128 mod 13, if I do, I will get 11 as the answer. So it becomes minus 11. It becomes minus 11 mod 13. It becomes minus 11 mod 13 will carry again. Now, what is this minus 13, minus 11 mod 13? Whenever this value is small and this is large and it's a negative number, just add both them. 11 minus 13, answer is 2. Therefore, the result of 11 power mod 7, 11 power 7 mod 13, answer is 2. I hope you understood how we are calculating it. We will take more and more examples to understand this. Again, let's take a simple example, 23 power 3 mod 30. 20, again, a small example, 23 power 3 mod 30. What I have to do, I want to simplify this expression. I don't want to calculate 23 into 23 into 23. What I will do, I will calculate 23 mod 30 value. What is 23 mod 30? Since it is lower number, I will get two answers. One answer is 23 as it is, other one is 23 minus 30, that is minus 7. Among these two, which one is small? 7 is a smaller number, therefore this answer will be minus 7. So this equation now becomes minus 7 cube mod 30. This is easy to calculate. Minus 7 power 3, I can easily calculate. It is somewhere around minus 343 mod 30. 7 into 7, 49, 49 into 7, 343. Now, see here, this number is a larger number and its negative sign is there. So, ignore the negative sign. Find out 343 mod 30. Find out 343 mod 30. So, if you see 30 into 11, 330, I guess. So, we get remainder here as 13. We get remainder here as 13. So, this equation becomes minus 13 mod 30. Minus 13 mod 30. Now, this is a smaller number. This is 30. You simplified it, just add them. This becomes 17. Just add this minus 13 plus 30, it becomes 17. So, for this 23 power 3 mod 30, the answer is 17. Okay, right. Let's see one more example. This is very important. You need to understand it much better. Okay. The next question here is 88 power 7 mod 187. I want to calculate this. Okay, 88 power 7 mod 187. Right. Now, see, I will try to reduce this 88. How we do? What is our first principle? You try to simplify this expression. Simplify this expression. How to simplify? Calculate 88 mod 187. So, what could be the two values? Since it's a smaller value, one value could be 88, other value could be, you calculate 187 minus 88 minus 187. If you do, it's around, if I calculate it, 88 minus 187, it is minus 99. right? So numerically, which one is smaller number? 88. So this value becomes 88. So if I come here, is this modifying? Again, it is equal to same, no? After simplifying, again it became 88 power 7 mod 187 only. There is no change. After applying the simplification process, we couldn't reduce that value to smaller value. It is coming back to the same. In this case, what you have to do, when you get the same number again, when you are unable to simplify this expression, if it turns out to be the same number, you have to calculate like this. Find out 88 power 1 mod 187. Do these small calculations. You know answer is 88 already. Then find out 88 power 2 mod 187. If I multiply 88 into 88, it is like 88 into 88. So 88 into 177 mod 187. If you divide it and see, you get somewhere around 77 as the answer. Okay. Next, find out 88 power 4. You increase in double folded 1, 2, 4 like this you do. 188 power 4 mod 187. How this can be written? See, this can be written as 88 power 2 into 88 power 2 mod 187. This can be written as 88 power 2 mod 187 into 88 power 2 mod 187 whole mod 187. Mod 187. Right? The property of modulus, we have seen this. So we already calculated this value. See, 88 square mod 187. We have already calculated here. 88 square mod 187. What was the answer? We got 77. So this is 77. This is 77. So it becomes 77 into 77. So that value is 5929. 77 into 77 is 5929 mod 187. This value, if you calculate, it is 132. Now you have the values of 88 power 1 mod 187 is equal to 88. You have 88 power 2 mod 187 is equal to 77. And you have, I'll just erase this. You have 88 power 4 mod 187 is equal to 132. Now using these three values, we will try to calculate the expression. See, instead of calculating 88 many times, we are just simplifying it. This may look a lengthy answer for you. You may think, sir, why I can calculate using calculator? I can directly do it. But again, when there are large numbers, it is difficult for us to do. So we can simplify it like this. Now, how can you write 88 power 7? We can write it as like this: 88 power 4 into 88 power 2 into 88 power 1 whole mod 187. So this can be written as 88 power 4 mod 187 into 88 power 2 mod 187 into 88 power 1 mod 187 whole mod 187. So this is, what is this value? 132. So 132 into 77 into 88 whole mod 187. This you multiply this value and you calculate mod 87, you will get somewhere around 11. So instead of calculating 88 power 7, that lengthy value, we are trying to reduce it like this. Okay, you are finding out 88 power 1, 88 power 2, 88 power 4, and you are simplifying it like this. So answer is 11 in this case. 88 power 7 mod 187 is 11. Right? So first attempt is to simplify that expression a power b. If it is not being simplified, you apply this approach. Let's take another example here. Let me take 29 power 5. See, 3, we'll take this example, 3 power 100 mod 29. 3 power 100 mod 29. What we have to do? 3 power 100 is a large thing. I have to simplify it. What is the simplification process? Just to find out 3 mod 27 value, 3 mod 29 value. So this is smaller number, this is larger number. I will get two answers. One answer will be 3, other answer will be 3 minus 29, that is minus 26. Numerically, which one is the smallest one? 3. So this answer becomes 3. So if you see, we couldn't simplify the given question. It remains same again. It is remaining same as 3 power 100 mod 29. So you have to find out 3 power 1 mod 29 first. So 3 mod 29 is 3. That's what we already find it out. Then find out 3 power 2 mod 29. That is 9 mod 29, again answer will be 9 only, because 9 is smaller. 9 and 29, one value will be 9, other value will be minus 20, 9 is small. Then 3 cube mod 29. In this case, what you will get here? 3 cube mod 29. See, this is no. We will find out 3 power 4. Don't find out 3 power 3. You have to go in double folded, 1, 2, 4, 8. That way we have to go. So 3 power 4 mod 28 means 3 square into 3 square mod 29. So this can be written as 3 square mod 29 into 3 square mod 29 whole mod 29. What is 3 square mod 29 value? 9. So this is 9 into 9 mod 29. What is 81 mod 29? If you divide 58, 81, if you divide, you will get somewhere around 23. One value will be 23, other value will be minus 6. You get two answers here, 23 and minus 6. Minus 6 is smaller one. Minus 6 is the smaller one. So in that case, we take this value as minus 6. I'll just erase this. So this value is minus 6. Next, find out 3 power 8 mod 29. How to calculate this 3 power 8? It is again, how to calculate that is 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 mod 29. What is 3 power 4 mod 29 value? Minus 6. So this is 3 power 4 mod 29 into 3 power 4 mod 29 whole mod 29. So what does it becomes? Minus 6 into minus 6. So minus 36 mod 29. What is the value of minus 36 mod 29 here? If you calculate, so you have to first find out 36 mod 29. You have to first find out 36 mod 29. So here one value will be 7. Sorry, minus 6. No, minus 6 into minus 6, 36. 36 mod 29, it is directly 7. That is the smallest value we have. So this value becomes 7. Next, let's find out the next largest one. That is 3 power 16 mod 29. So how to find out 3 power 16 mod 29? Again, it is nothing but 3 power 8 mod 29 into 3 power 8 mod 29 whole mod 28. What is 3 power 8 mod 29? 7. So it is 49 mod 29. So here you find out what is 49 mod 29. One value will be 20, other value will be minus 11, right? No. One is 20, other is minus 9. Yeah. One value is 20, other value is minus 9. How minus 9? See, 29 into 2. 29 into 2 is 58. 58 minus 49. 58 minus 49 if you do minus 9. So this value becomes minus 9. Right? Next. Now after 3 power 16, I have to calculate 3 power 32. 3 power 32. So it is nothing but 3 power 16 mod 29 into 3 power 16 mod 29 whole mod 29. So 3 power 16 mod 29 is minus 9. Minus 9 into minus 9, 81. 81 mod 29, we already got this here. It is minus 6. It is minus 6. Then go for 3 power 64. 3 power 64 mod 29. It means 3 power 32 mod 29 into 3 power 32 mod 29 whole mod 29. What is 3 power 32? Minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 6, 36. 36 mod 29, we got it here, that is 7. We already solved that, we got 7. That's it. You stop it here. Now find out 3 power 100. How you can write 3 power 100? You can write it as 3 power 64 into 3 power 32, 90. With this, what we are completing? 96 into 3 power 4. You can whole mod 29. So this is 3 that is 3 into 3 power 64 means 7. 7 into 3 power 32 means minus 6 into 3 power 4. What is the value? Minus 6 whole mod 29. So what is this value if you calculate? If I simplify this, I'm just erasing these previous values. So 36 into 7, you get somewhere around 252. 252 mod 29. If you calculate this value, 252 mod 29, you get answer as 20. You get this remainder as 20. 252 mod 29, you get the answer as 20. If you calculate that, if you divide it to 252 by 29, you get remainder as 20. Right? So this is the answer. See, first attempt we are trying to reduce that complexity, but we failed to do that. 3 mod 29 was 3 again. So we are doing 3 power 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, so on, and then finally writing some equation like this. So this is how we are trying to simplify the process. Now, what is the application of this? One application of this is, actually there are some questions like this in competitive exams. You will see what are the last two digits of 29 power 5. This is one question. Okay, where can we use this modular exponentiation? Suppose in the exam it is asked, in the value of 29 power 5, what are the last two digits? If you multiply 29 into 29 into 29 into 29 5 times, whatever result you get, what are the last two digits? Okay, that this question is nothing but it is equal to 29 power 5 mod 100. 29 power 5 mod 100. This is the value. If you can find out this expression's value, that result will be the last two digits of 29 power 5. Okay, let's try to solve it. So 29 power 5 mod 100. I will try to simplify this. It means I will skip this sign, then exponential part. I will just calculate 29 mod 100. What is 29 mod 100 here? You get 29 itself, because that's the best value we get here. You cannot reduce it, right? So let's find out 29 power 1 mod 100. We know the answer is 29. We have already calculated. Then 29 power 2 mod 100. So if you calculate 29 into 29, it is somewhere around 841 mod 100. So here the value will be 41. Directly it is the smallest number, we are getting 41. Then 29 power 4 mod 100. I can write this 29 power 4 into 29 power 2 into 29 power 2. It means 41 into 41. So 41 into 41 mod 100. So what is 41 into 41? If you calculate, it is 1681 mod 100. Here what is the value? See, 1681 mod 100. One value is 81. One value is 81. Another value it is minus 19. Another value is minus 19. So this value is minus 19. How I got minus 19? It is like 81 minus 100. 81 minus 100. Okay, so the smallest value is minus 19. We have taken that. That's it. Now 29 power 5 can be written as 29 power 4 into 29 power 1 mod 100. So 29 power 4 is minus 19 into 29 whole mod 100. Okay, so let us find out what is this 29 minus 19 into 29. If you calculate this value, it is somewhere around minus 551 mod 100. Okay, I'm just erasing these things. Now what is minus 551 mod 100? What you have to do, you have to first skip the sign. What is 551 mod 100? 551 mod 100, you will get two values. One value will be 51, other value will be minus 49. These two values I'll be getting here, right? So which one is smallest one? Which one is smallest one? Minus 49 is the smallest one. So you will take here the value as minus 49. So minus 49 mod 100. Okay, but there is already one minus sign, no? There is already one minus sign for that. So this becomes 49. 551 mod 100. Only I am calculating 551 mod 100. I got one value as 51, other minus 49. This is smaller one that I have taken, but there is already a minus sign here. Minus of minus 49 becomes 49, right? So this is the answer. It means what was the question? What are the last two digits? What are the last two digits in 29 power 5? It means answer is 49. Suppose somebody asks you 242 power 343. What is the last three digits? What are the last three digits? So this is nothing but you find out 242 power 343 mod 100. If you find out this value, then the final result will be, you will get a 3-digit answer here. Okay, sorry, 1000. 3 digits, right? So it is 1000. 242 power 343 mod 1000. For 2 digits, we are dividing by 100. For 3 digits, we have to find out modulo by 1000. Whatever answer you get, that will be the last 3 digits in this multiplication. 242 power 343. Right? So these are a few problems in modular exponentiation. First attempt is always try to reduce that number like this. If when we saw 11 power 7 mod 13, how we are reducing this to smaller value? Ignore this power, just find out 11 mod 13. You get here two values, one is 11, other is minus 2. minus 2 is small. So this equation became minus 2 power 7 mod 13. This is very easy to calculate compared to 11 power 7. If you are failing, then you do 11 power 1, 11 power 2, 11 power 4, 11 power 8, 11 power 16 and so on, and then calculate it. Okay, that is about modular exponentiation. Thank you.